So let's try to solve this question. The first question in this is puzzles. How many members? 9 members seated in a straight line facing north, not necessarily in the same order. The distance between the adjacent persons is same. R sits to the left of T but not immediate. R sits to the left of T but not, so they are not adjacent. Next please. F sits exactly in the middle of the line. F sits exactly in the middle of the line. Total strength is what? Next, W sits to the immediate left of K and third to the left of Z. W is immediate left of K and third to the left of, when W is third to the left of Z, Z is third to the right of W. Why? Because they are all facing same side. Next, G sits at one of the extreme ends of the lines. Done. Next, only one person sits between F and D and you are not sure with the position of F and D. The number of persons to the left of K is equals to right of O. Left of K is equals to right of, and you know about this position. Anagada. Chalo. What should I do? I have no other option, but my duty is to explore the possibilities for Z. Avuna kada. So let's explore the possibilities for Z. If I take Z here, this is K and this is W. 100% guarantee this is G and D. Wherever you go for K, O should be in the same position from the other side. K is third from the right, O should be third from left. Will it be a possibility? No. Next, can I go for Z here? Impossible, because you will not have place for W. Can I go for Z here? No. Can I go for Z here? Yes. This is K and this is fourth from left is K. Fourth from right should be O. Is there a possibility for us? And we have no other option other than this. This is Z, this is K, this is W. Pakka, this has to be G. What is K's position? Second from left. So O's position is second from right. Understood? Yes or no? Who are left out for us? R and T. So what should be? If I go for D here, 100% guarantee this should be R and T. But R and T are adjacent or not adjacent? Impossible. You cannot go for D on that particular place. So this is not meant for D. So 100% this is D. And this has to be R and this should be T. Am I done with this question? Yes. Sorry. T, R. Done? R is to the left of T. Okay. Who is sitting third to the right of the one who is sitting to the immediate right of F? Who is sitting to the immediate right of F? To that person I need to go to third right. What's the answer? G. Next, who amongst the following are immediate neighbors of the persons who sit at the extreme ends of the lines? Second from both the ends. Ante kada? Extreme ends and first from the ends. What's the answer? K and O. Who amongst the following sits exactly between K and T? Who is exactly between K and T? Z. I have it in first option. Which of the following statements is or false regarding D? T sits to the immediate right of D. Is it so? No. He sits to the immediate left. Only two persons sit to the right of D. Chapandama? Chapali? మరి నీకు ట్రూ కావాలనా ఫాల్స్ కావాలనా? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటిదో చదువు ఒకసారి. T sits to the immediate right of D. Immediate right of D, T. మరి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఫాల్స్ వచ్చింది కదా. జాగ్రత్త, ఇదే మనం చేసే పొరపాటు. క్వశ్చన్ని చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చదివి ముందుకెళ్ళాలి. Whether it is on false or whether it is on true. Yes or no? So your answer is option 1. Second option is true. We don't want true. What do we need? We want false. ఎప్పుడు కూడా తొందరపడదు. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? Yes. Let's go from 6 to 7. Sorry, 5. I have 5 కదా. 4 out of the following 5 are alike and form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? R and F. How many do you see in between R and F? D and G. T and F, 0. W and R, 1. F and D also 1. So what's my answer? Chalo. 9 members. PDF, H, J, L, N, P and R are living in a building which has 3 floors. Each floor has 3 flats, flat 1, flat 2 and flat 3. In each floor, flat 1 is to the west of flat 2, 2 which is to the west of flat 3, 2 which is to the west of flat 3. Ground floor is numbered 1 and the topmost floor is numbered as 3. Topmost floor is numbered as 3, 2, 1. What's the extra information? Flat 1, flat 2, flat 3. Flat 1, flat 2, flat 3. Flat 1 is to the west of flat 2, flat 2 is to the west of flat 3. Done? What's the first point? R leaves to the southwest of J. Amma, south ante bottom, west ante left. Avuna kada? Evariki? Come on. R leaves to the southwest of J. Done? Bottom left. Southwest is bottom left. Southeast, bottom right. Northeast, top right. Northwest, top left. Is this clear? So next. H lives in 3rd floor but not in flat. So how many possibilities does H have? 2 possible. I'm not sure. Let's go for the next line. D lives to the northeast of B. D lives to the northeast of B. This is D here. D lives to the northeast of B. Next. D and N live in the same numbered flat. D equals to N. And what are you talking about? Next, please. Amma? J lives 2 floors above F. J lives 2 floors above F. J is living 2 floors above F. Compulsory, this is F and this is J. There is no other possibility, isn't it? Next line, please. Amma? P lives to the southwest of D. Southwest of D. Who is this person? P. Southwest is bottom left. So, who is living here? P lives to the southwest of D. R lives immediately above N, but not in different flats. R lives, come on. R lives immediately above N, but in different flats or not in different flats? Not in different flats, and both of them saying in the same. So 100% guarantee this is N. Avuna kada? R lives immediately above N, but not in the different flats. Chudu. First floor, second floor, third. Set అయిపోయింది కదా, మాట్లాడాలి. చలో ఇంకో మాట ఏమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ చదువు, పక్కకే రాసినాం. D ఈక్వల్స్ టు N. సేమ్ ఫ్లాటా డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్లాటా? పక్కా ఇక్కడే కదా D రావాల్సింది. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Can I take D in the first flat? Can I take D here? Why? Because there are 2 other persons. Impossible. So there is only one possibility. What is that? D, R, N. This is J. When you take J here, pakka this is H. Yes or no? Inkentidi chadu. B does not live in the ground floor. B is not living in the ground floor. B has to stay in the second floor because southwest of D gada. There is another person called P. You have a place for F. Then there is one alphabet left out. What is that? Amma, is this done? Single possibility. But what is the game changer? Information about D. Information about N and R. Who lives 3rd floor and 3rd flat? Amma? 7. What is the floor and flat or number of R respectively? R lives in 2nd floor, 2nd flat. Who amongst the following 3 persons live in the same flat? H, B, P. Yes, obviously first option kada. living in the same flat. 9. Who amongst the following lives immediately above R in the same numbered flat? Immediately above R in the same number flat is D. 4 out of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. Can you please tell me the flat in which D is living? Amma? A flat? B? Amma? L? P? N? కుదురుతుందా? సరే మళ్ళా డి దగ్గరికి వెళ్దాం. థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ సెకండ్ ఫ్లాట్, థర్డ్ ఫ్లోర్ బి, సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ ఫస్ట్ ఎల్, సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ థర్డ్ ఫ్లాట్, పి ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లాట్, ఎన్ except this person, all others are, their flat number and floor number are not same. Avuna kada? For P, both flat number and floor number is same. Is this clear? Question number 11, syllogism. I am making this point very, very clear. What is he asking us? Whether it is based on follows or does not follow? He is asking us logically follows. Done? So syllogism, how will you solve? Only the diagram. The rest of the story only by looking at the diagram. We will not use pen and paper to solve which conclusion is following and which conclusion is not following. Is this clear? Only the diagram. Chalo, please tell me what's going on there. Some phones are tabs. No tab is Bluetooth. Only a few Bluetooth are Apple. The arrow mark from A to B. Apple to Bluetooth. Come on. Some phones are not apples. Absolutely right, Gada. Some phones are not apple. Positive or negative? Come on, what is the complementary? All phones are apples. Can I take all phones and put them inside apple? Yes, without any problem. So when that is right, your regular conclusion is wrong. Next one. All apples being Bluetooth is a possibility. Yes, can I take all the apples inside Bluetooth? Yes. That is what the arrow is indicating us. One-way traffic. So is it a possibility? Yes. What's the answer? Only 2. Each green is pink. Each green is pink and all green are pink. Tarvata. Only a few pink is violet. Arrow mark from violet to pink. Some violet or blue. Done? Some green is blue. Do you see any relationship between green and blue? No green is violet. Absolutely yes. But positive or negative? Some green is, can violet go inside and touch green? Yes or no? Violet can grow inside and touch green, kada? So your regular conclusion is wrong. Ante some green is violet ki కావాలంటే వైలెట్ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకో, లేదా గ్రీన్నే ఇటు పక్కకు తీసుకొనిరా, సరిపోయింది కదా. అంటే ఈ విషయం చెక్ చేయడానికి ఇప్పుడు నేను బొమ్మ దించాలా? అంటే మీరందరూ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ కదా, చూసి చెప్పలేరా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. మరి నేను అదే చెప్తున్నా అప్పటి నుంచి. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు టెల్ యూ. టు చెక్ దిస్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో నెసెసిటీ టు డ్రా ది డయాగ్రామ్. యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టెల్ విత్ యువర్ ఐస్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. Yes or no? So automatically this is wrong. 1 is also wrong, 2 is also wrong. What's my answer? Neither 1 nor 2. Chalo. Some chairs are wheels. Only a few wheels are cars. Some cars are roads. First conclusion. Some wheels are cars. Yes or no? Next, some wheels are not cars. Absolutely right. Some wheels are not cars. Correct kada? Positive or negative? Cheppandi amma. What is the complementary? Amma? All wheels are cars. So all wheels are cars ayye chance unda. Can I take all the wheels inside cars? Cheppandi amma. You can't, because only car has the authority to go inside wheel. So when that is wrong, this is right. What's your answer? Both 1 and 2. What's your answer? Both 1 and 2. Done? 14th question. What's going on here? How many? Amma? 8 persons purchased 8 different items such as TV, chocolate, wall clock, computer, fridge, laptop, AC and pen, not necessarily in the same order. Laptop is purchased before. Laptop is purchased before wall clock. Next. Only 2 persons purchased the item after the one who purchased pen. Total number of people? Only 2 persons after. Done kada? Tarvata. 3 persons purchased item between the one who purchased pen and the one who purchased TV. Obviously it has to be above pen. It is not possible below pen. Tarvata. The one who purchased AC is immediately before the one who purchased, immediately before chocolate, AC. Next please. At least 3 persons purchased between AC and the one who purchased computer. At least 3. What do you mean by at least 3? Minimum 3. Minimum 3 and greater than or equals to 3 between AC and computers. Done? Chapandamma. Next please. Huh? The one who purchased fridge is after the one who purchased computers. Fridge is after computer. More than 2 persons purchased between laptop and wall clock. Already we do have information about laptop and wall clock. Avuna kada? Laptop is before wall clock. So this is laptop. After laptop, greater than 2 people, then you go for wall clock. More than 2 ante greater than 2 kada? Greater than 2 ante I'll start from 3. Minimum number is 3. Last line, the last line. The one who purchased chocolate did not purchase that. This is not chocolate. Antena? Chapandamma. Who is then? We have no other option kada, because AC and chocolate are adjacent to each other. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. AC chocolate, AC chocolate. Done kada? Because chocolate is not in the last position. So first trial, this is AC and this is chocolate. How many people? Minimum 3 between AC and computers, and after computer you need to take fridge. Chalo 1, 2, 3. Okay na? Chapandamma. Evaru? Computer. Tarvata vastunaru fridge. Laptop and wall clock. Laptop and wall clock. The gap between laptop and wall clock is more than 2. Condition satisfied, not satisfied. Lucky we got the answer from the first possibility itself. Yes or no? Chadu. How many persons are there in between the persons who purchased laptop and the one who purchased chocolate? How many do you see between them? Chapandamma. Laptop and chocolate is 2. 15th. Which amongst the following item has purchased immediately after the one who purchased pen? Immediately after pen, computers. 16. Who amongst the following, which amongst the following is the first one to purchase? Laptop. Option 1. Which of the following statement is or true? He says is or true. Done? What's my first option? Wall clock is after the one who purchased TV, but before the one who purchased. Wall clock is after TV, yes, and before computers. Can I say first option is my answer? Be careful. Whenever first option is your answer, please recheck the options. Because first option is always a trap. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎంతో ఆనందపడి ఎగ్జామ్లో ఒక పజిల్ సాల్వ్ చేయగానే మనకు చాలా ఆనందం వేస్తుంది. ఆ ఆనందంలో ఇలాంటి చిన్న చిన్న తప్పులు చేయడం సహజం. దయచేసి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. There is 4th option which says both 1 and 2, and 5th option says all the 3. Let's check the second. No one has purchased an item after fridge. Yes. The number of items purchased before AC is same as computer. No. AC is 3rd from top, computer is 2nd from bottom. So third statement is not right. Third option is not right. So what's your answer? Both 1 and 2. Question number 18. Which of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group? Pen and chocolate. What's the gap between them? Laptop and AC, 1. Computer and wall clock. Gap of between them is 1. TV and computer, how many? Pen and fridge, 1. All options, the gap between them is only 1, except the fourth option. Done? And now we have another puzzle. This is about certain number of persons sitting in a straight line facing north. Chedama? M sits 8th to the M sits 8th to the left of J. This is J here, 8th left. Okay, na? How many between M and J? 7. M sits 8th to the left of J. Next. N sits 4th to the right of K. K ki eno rate amma? N sits 4th to the right of K. P sits 3rd from one of the extreme ends of the right hander, left hander. Amma, P sits 3rd from extreme right end. Third ante, you will have 2 people to his right. Done kada? Tarvata. O sits to the immediate left of P. Only 6 people sit between N and O. Only 6 people are sitting between N and O. It is not possible to the right side of O. It has to be to the left side. Auna kada. How many people? 6 people sit between. Done? Matladali. Next. Amma, L sits exactly between K and J. I don't know where is this K and J kada. L sits exactly between K and J. Only 10 people sit to the left of J. Only 10 people sit to the left of J ante already we have 8 members to the left of J. And then M is 8th to the left of J. Extra. Done kada? రైట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి తెలిసింది, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ నుంచి తెలిసింది, కానీ ఈ మధ్యలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళ గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా పనికి వస్తేమో చూడు. ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ బిట్వీన్ M and J is equals to J and Q. M and J equals to J and Q. How many between M and J? Amma, 7. Seven people between J and Q. Tarvata. Amma, K sits second to the right. K sits second to the right of M ante. K sits second to the right of M. Antena? M sits second to the left of K. అయిపోయిందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. N ఉన్నాడా లేదా? చలో N కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో 1 2 3 ఎవరు? K. Kకి ఎన్నో లెఫ్ట్? సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో ఎవరు అమ్మా? Mకి ఇంకా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్లో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? డన్ కదా? లాస్ట్ లైన్ చెప్పు. నో వన్ సిట్స్ టు ది లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ T. అంటే పక్కా దిస్ ఇస్ T కదా? ఇంకెవరు ఉన్నారు? L సిట్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బిట్వీన్ K అండ్ J. M నుంచి J దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి కదా? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ఎవరు వీడు? J. వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 5. L is ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ మిడిల్ అంటే ఇక్కడే కదా చెప్పాలి. తర్వాత ఇంకెవరో మిగిలిపోయారు? Q. లాస్ట్ లైన్ చదవాలి కదా? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ బిట్వీన్ M and J is equals to J and Q. J and Q మధ్యలో ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 7 మెంబర్స్. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. సో పక్క చివరిలో వచ్చే వ్యక్తి పేరు ఏంటిది? డన్. దిస్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద రో? ప్లీజ్ కౌంట్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ వాట్స్ ద నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద రో. Amma? How many? Option number 3. What is the position of J with respect to the one who is second to the right of P? Who is second to the right of P? Q. Position of J from Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth to the left. Eighth to the left is in second option. How many members are sitting between M and L? How many do you see between M and L? Amma? 4 persons. Who amongst the following sits to the immediate right of L? Immediate right of L is N. 23. 4 out of the following 5 are alike, hence form a group. In between T and M, how many persons? There is a gap of 1 seat. N and J, 1. P and O, immediate. P and Q, kada? P and Q, 1. M and K also, 1. In between T and K, there are how many seats? 3 seats. So which option should be my answer? 24 is a different one. Easy, but still I'll do it for you. There are 6 members of different heights. Jab S is taller than Q, T is taller than only 2P. T is greater than only 2. And after 2 there are how many members? Avuna kada? Taller ante greater, only 2. And after T there are only 2 persons. Then he is third from the bottom. Next. Please. S is taller than T but shorter than P. Who is shorter than P? S. Next. R is taller than V but so R is shorter than Q and this is okay na? So before S there is one person called P. Yes or no? How many members covered here? Amma? How many vacancies? 5 kada? Already one is fixed. Who is he? T. T is not among these 5 kada? So done. అయిపోయింది answer. P, S, Q, R, V. Tarvata? The height of the second tallest is 173. Second tallest S 173. And the third shortest. Who is third shortest? T. What is his height? 140. Okay na? Chapali. Chap. Question Jappu. Who amongst the following person is the third tallest? Who is third tallest? If P's height is 182 centimeters, then what is the sum of the height of P and T? How much is T? 140 plus 182. What's the answer? Amma? 322. 26th question. Who amongst the following is the person who is just taller than the person who has the height of 173? Just taller than 173. Evaru? మాట్లాడాలి. చలో ఓకే. కోడెడ్ చెప్పనమ్మా. ఈక్వాలిటీసా ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీసా? Inequality. Chalo, happy. ఇప్పుడు when you come across solving this question, what is your first duty? Our first duty is to compare left hand side with right hand side, whether the positions of the first alphabet is exactly in the same place or in the different place. What is the first alphabet in the left side? A. In the right side, first alphabet is also A. Then no problem at all. First person is related to second. Shall we? Chalo, neither greater ante less, neither less than nor equal, neither greater nor less than, equal. not greater than, less than or equal, not less than, greater than or equal. Shall we start? Please tell me what's P at the rate Q. మాట్లాడాలి. P greater than Q. Dollar greater than or equals to S. Star equals to U. V power, V less than or equals to Q. Percentile less than T. Power cap అంటాం దాన్ని, less than or equals to, తర్వాత T star, T equals to H. H at the rate, H greater than T. I need to go from R and at. R greater than U. You need to go from R to U ante whose help are you supposed to take? Amma? So no usage of pen and paper. Directly tell me what's happening from R to Q. R greater than or less than? R greater than Q. అవునా కాదా? ఎందుకు? Q less than R. Reverse, R greater than Q. తర్వాత Q greater than or equals to U. Greater than or equal to. What's your answer? Greater. అంతే కదా? D percentile S. What is percentile? Less than. D less than S. I'm supposed to go from D to S. Whose help do I need to take? అమ్మా, D నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? S కదా. మరి అప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి? D నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తావు? T దగ్గరికి వెళ్తాం. T నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తావు? Q. Q దగ్గర నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తావు? అవునా కాదా? చలో చెప్పమ్మా, చెప్పు. T నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలో చెప్పు ఫాస్ట్గా. T నుంచి గ్రేటర్ దెన్, సారీ, D నుంచి T. D లెస్ దెన్, మాట్లాడాలి. D less than T. T నుంచి T greater than Q. Earlier what's the symbol you read? Less than. Now opposite symbols cannot be determined. What's the answer? Only. Understood? Any doubts? So will you able to solve these questions without any problem? Let's do this, and we'll do without using pen and paper. If all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from right to left, total number of numbers 6. Each number has how many digits? 3. All the numbers are arranged in ascending order from, amma, ascending order from right to left ante it's proper descending order kada, ante kada. General ga English lo we write numbers from left to right. కానీ వీడు ఏం రాయమంటున్నాడు? రైట్ టు లెఫ్ట్. అంటే ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ గోస్ టు ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్, హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ గోస్ టు ద, వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్, ఇట్ బికమ్స్ వాట్ అమ్మా? ఇట్ బికమ్స్ డిసెండింగ్ అవుట్. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ వాట్ ఈస్ హీ ఆస్కింగ్ అస్? ఫిఫ్త్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఎన్ని? 6. ఫిఫ్త్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ విల్ బి సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్. సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్. Second from left is nothing but the second highest number. అవునా కాదా? What is the second highest number? Amma? Did I use any pen and paper? These are those key points where you should be very careful, because it will help us to solve some time. So that the same time saved from reasoning can be utilized for other places. Syllogism good ante. What we try to do in syllogism? Only the diagram. Rest with your eyes. So sometime, maybe 2-3 minutes saved from these small techniques will help us to fetch at least 1 or 2 marks, either in quant or English. Ante kada? Question chalo. If all the digits are arranged in ascending order within the number, entidi? Then what is the difference between the highest number and the second lowest? Highest, second, అమ్మా మంచి చెప్తా, జాగ్రత్తగా విను. అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ విత్ ఇన్ ద అంటే విత్ ఇన్ ద నెంబర్ స్మాల్ టు అవునా కాదా? స్మాల్ టు బిగ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ దేనిపైన? 1. డూ యూ సీ 1 ఎనీవేర్ ఎల్స్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద లోయెస్ట్ నెంబర్. కొట్టిపడేసి అవునా కాదా? 1 ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద లోయెస్ట్ కదా. ఆఫ్టర్ 1 how many places do you see 2? Amma? So this becomes what? 2, 3, 4. Next 2, 7, 6. Next 2, 5, 7. అంటే ఇదే కదా సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్. సో సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్ ఇస్ 234. డన్. పోయినా లేవా? ఆఫ్టర్ 2 ఏంటిది అమ్మా? 3 లేదు కదా. నౌ వి గో ఫర్ 4. చెప్పు. 458, 479. విచ్ ఇస్ బిగ్? 479. డిఫరెన్స్ 2, 4, 5. డన్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? లేకపోతే చిన్నపిల్లల లెక్క 4, 5, 8, 4, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 8, 2, 6, 7, 2, 5, 7 నీట్గా అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో అన్ని డిజిట్స్ అరేంజ్ చేసి వాడు హయ్యెస్ట్ అడిగిండు, హయ్యెస్ట్ 479. సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్ అడిగిండు, ఫస్ట్ లోయెస్ట్ 178, సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్ 234. మళ్ళీ పేపర్ మీద రాసి 479, 234. అప్పా సూపర్, నాకు చదువు వచ్చేస్తుంది ఎక్కువగా. 9 - 4 is 5, 7 - 3 is 4, 4 - 2 is 2, 245. అంటే నువ్వు ఇవన్నీ చేసే లోపల నీ పక్కనోడు 3 క్వశ్చన్లు చేస్తాడు. అవునా కాదా? ఈ చిన్నపిల్లలు లెక్కలు చేయకండి దయచేసి ప్లీజ్. మీరంతా గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్, బేసిక్ కామన్ సెన్స్ ఉంటుంది మన దగ్గర, చూడంగానే గుర్తుపట్టవచ్చు. కొంచెం టెక్నిక్స్ వాడే ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. డన్. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ యాడెడ్? Added to each even digit, one is subtracted from each odd digit. Then all the numbers are written in descending order. Which number comes third from left? Descending order, third from left, third highest. Yes or no? First from left. Descending order kada? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ హైయెస్ట్, సెకండ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్, థర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్. కానీ ఎప్పుడు? After performing the required operation. To decide whether a number is big or small, we will concentrate only on the first digit. చలో, ఈవెన్ డిజిట్ అయితే 9, 5, 3. అంతేనా? ఆడ్ డిజిట్ అయితే చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 1 is subtracted కదా, ఎంత అవుతుంది? 0, 6. విచ్ ఇస్ హైయెస్ట్ నెంబర్? సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్, థర్డ్ హైయెస్ట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఆన్సర్? 752. ఆప్షన్. డన్. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ నెంబర్ సిరీస్? వాట్స్ ద నెంబర్ ఫర్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్? 96. Shall we try to solve this question? Missing number or wrong number? Missing number. Generally for prelims you expect only missing numbers. Rare cases they'll give wrong numbers. Gradual increase. Shall I go with the differences? Come on. How much is this? 12, 24, 48 or 36? 48. Numbers are getting doubled. Next is what? 96. 86 plus 96. Amma? 182. 6 plus 6. Amma? Units place low. How many options? Both the numbers are less than 100. Done? Chalo. You want me to go with the differences? I'm asking a question and I'm expecting an answer. Do you want me to go with differences? How much is the difference? Amma? 18, huh? Happy? అమ్మా అర్థం కాలే మీరు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? 35 అంతే కదా. 10 + 18 28, 28 + 35. ఆ తర్వాత చెప్పు అమ్మా 69. తర్వాత 120. Come on students, 120. Any guesses after seeing these numbers? No. When you don't guess anything, what's my duty? I go for difference of difference. Shall I go with the difference of difference? Tell me how much is the difference? 17, 34, 51. Multiples of 17. What is my next number? 68. What is this? 188. 188. 254 plus 8. 252 plus 8. 260. 260 plus 180. 260 plus 180. 4. This is my answer. Understood? Any other plans other than this? $98. Come on. Will you tell me the difference? 2, 6, 12. 2, 6, 12, 20. Next 30. ఎందుకు? n square plus n. దయచేసి for God's sake don't tell me difference of difference. Difference of difference is done by kids. As soon as you see the numbers, you should be in a position to identify the speciality of the number. 2 ante 1 square plus 1, 6 ante 2 square plus 2, 3 square plus 3, 4 square plus 4, 5 square plus 5. Wherever there is n square plus n, there is also n square minus n. 2 square minus 2, 3 square minus 3, 4 square minus 4, 5 square minus 5, 6 square minus 6. What's the answer? Chalo. Huge increase, gradual increase? Very huge. What's this? 2 times, 4 times, 6 times. Next 8. Next 10. Ulta kodate divided by 10. అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. అవునా కాదా? చలో మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్సెస్ పోదామా? I will not go for differences. This may be looking to you like a very gradual increase, but look at these options. Every option is a 4-digit number. Single digit number becoming 4-digit number. Pakka huge increase. You have to go for product. You have to go for product. Simple and easy. Go from 2 digit to 3 digit. There's no rule. You have to start from first, second. Second digit to third digit is easier for us. How many times? 4 times. 124 minus 3. 5 times minus 4. Chapo. 3 times minus 2. 2 times minus 6 times minus 5. Avuna? Last digit enta? Last digit enta? 1 into 6. 6 minus 5. Answer should end with done. Any doubts? Thank you.